In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out on Reddit. If you're finished browsing Reddit and want to sign out of your account, the process is very quick and simple. Logging out can be useful if you're using a shared computer, switching to a different account, or just want to keep your account private and secure when you're done. I'll walk you through exactly where to click so you can log out without any confusion. To begin, go to your Reddit home dashboard. This is the main Reddit screen you see after logging into your account. If Reddit is already open in your browser, you can simply make sure you're on the home page or dashboard area before continuing. Starting from the home dashboard makes it easier to find the account controls you need. Once you're on the Reddit home dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there. This is usually where Reddit shows your profile icon or avatar, and it gives you access to account-related settings and options. Go ahead and click on your profile in the top right corner. After clicking your profile, a menu will open. This menu contains several options related to your account, so take a moment to look through it if needed. What you're looking for is the log out option. Depending on the version of Reddit you're using, it may appear as log out in the drop-down menu. When you see it, click on log out. As soon as you do that, Reddit will sign you out of your account. In most cases, you'll either return to a signed out version of the site or be redirected to Reddit's main page. That's how you know the logout was successful. If you want to make sure you're fully signed out, check the top right corner again. Instead of seeing your profile menu, you should now see options to log in or sign up. That's a quick way to confirm that your account is no longer active in that browser session. And that's all it takes to log out on Reddit. It's a very short process. Go to your Reddit home dashboard, click your profile in the top right corner, and then click log out. If you're using a public or shared device, it's always a good habit to log out when you're finished. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.